What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to check and clear incognito history in Google Chrome. Firstly, click on the Start menu on your Windows PC, then type Command Prompt. Right-click it and then select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type ipconfig/display-dns. Then press Enter. You'll see a list of recently visited domains. This may include sites opened in incognito mode. Windows temporarily shows websites' domain info in the DNS cache. Incognito mode doesn't have history, but DNS entries can still appear here. To clear this, just write on the command prompt ipconfig/flush DNS. Restarting your PC will also clear the DNS cache. This method works best before the cache is cleared. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.